Good morning, student. How are you this morning? I hope you are fine. You are okay. You are awesome. Well, today we will study about the various arithmetic operator used in numeric formula. It's about multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, and exponent. Okay, student. That's our learning objective. And the second, we study about basic function. Yeah, like sum, average, max, means, and count. I hope you can understand about our learning objective this morning. So after learning, you can use the numeric formula and you can use the basic function. Okay, student, we continue to the next slide. Okay, this is arithmetic operator used in numeric formula. I make here angka 1, angka 2, and numeric formula, and also have here hasil. Okay, you can see here, this is exponent, have 5 and 3. So, 5 exponent 3, 5 pangkat 3 equal 125. And have also here multiplication, yeah, 6 times 4 equal 24. And division, ya, pembagian, 20 divide 5 is 4. And the next addition. Addition is penjumlahan, 8 add 6 equal 14. And subtraction is pengurangan, ya, 9 subtraction 7 is 2. Okay, that's the function of numeric formula, ya student. And the next, we study about basic function. This one basic function, ya, sum menjumlahkan secara keseluruhan. You can see here the formula type equal sum open bracket, and you can block all the data, ya, the number and closing bracket. So the answer is 35. And this is average, ya, rata-rata student, average, ya, you can choose, you can type equal average open bracket, and you can block from A1 until A5, ya kid. Yeah, we don't use A6, yeah. If you want to use also A6, you can type here A6, or you can block from A1 until A6. That's no problem, student. So, how much the answer? The answer is 38. Rata-rata dari mereka adalah 38. Ya, student. And the next, max, maksimal. Nilai yang paling tinggi from all of them. Ya, you can see here, the max is 54. So, the formula equal max, open bracket, A1, yeah, because this is A and number 1, until A6, yeah, A6. So the answer is this one. And the next, min, yeah, min is mean the lowest, paling kecil, ya, student. You can see here from this, you can see 23, the lowest, yeah. So if you type equal min, open bracket, yeah, you can block, or you can type A1 until A6. So the answer is 23. And count, what the function count? Count is menghitung berapa data. Yeah, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So have 6, ya student. Yeah, the formula equal count A1 until A6. So the answer is 6. Must have 6 number here. Okay, student, that's about the basic function. Okay, I think that's about our lesson today, basic function and numeric. So we can see in Microsoft Excel directly. Yeah, we practice directly here. Okay, I open Microsoft Excel. Yeah, the example, the student, I type here 3, 4. Okay, and I type here. Okay, this is, we make exponent. Yeah, we type here this one. This is exponent equal. Yeah, you can choose this and type this one exponent, and you can block this or choose. Okay, that's, yeah, 3 pangkat 4 here, the student. And now we want to make a subtraction. Ya, kurang. Sorry. Kurangan. Ya, we make this one 6 ya, kid. Equal 6 kurang 5. The answer is 1. Okay, the next division ya, kid. Okay. Again ya, student. We make here 36 ya. So equal, choose this and type this one. 6. Okay, the answer is 6. 6 bagi 6, 6. Okay, the next multiplication. Again ya, kid. Equal, and choose this one and type bintang star kali choose 7 dengan. Okay, and the next is addition ya, kid. Tahan. Okay, equal 6 tambah. Okay, this. Okay, that's student about the numeric formula ya, kid. Exponent, subtraction. This is exponent, this is subtraction, this is division, this is multiplication, and this is addition. Now we want to make a basic function. Okay, equal sum of bracket, and then you choose this. So later here have the result of this ya, jumlah seluruhnya ini ya, kid. Oke, jumlah seluruh ini adalah 57, kid. Oke, this is sum. And we want to make average. Equal average, open bracket, you can block this one. Okay, and then closing bracket, enter. Okay, this is 11. Okay, jadi jumlahnya ini dibagi 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bagi 5, kid. Inilah jumlahnya, kid. Okay, now max. Equal max, open bracket, ya kita blok. Yang paling besar angkanya how much? Okay, 36 ya, kid. Plus this is 36. Now min. Equal min, yang kecil how much, kid? Cari equal. Okay, 3 ya, kid. 3. Now count. Equal count. Apa nilainya di sini? Ada berapa data? Okay, 5. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, student, that's all about our lesson this morning. I hope you can understood about our lesson. Thank you for your attention. Nice to see you again. See you. Bye bye.